Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Igri Gloria. So in today's tutorial, we are making use of vinyl and borderless design. So the designs are very beautiful, and please, if you like what you are seeing on your screen, please make sure you watch the video to the end and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, like I said, in this video we are making use of borderless design and vinyl design to design our bag. Please like and subscribe. So in today's video, these are all the materials we are going to be using for our design. So we start by designing it. So you just start by placing it. Basically, that's what you do. You just start placing them. That's all. You keep placing. Just take one, place it. Just keep on placing it. Place it until you're done. Place it. So let's now start by using this design. Let's design with this. So you just place your name. And you go in with your scissors. So these are side attractions. Let's use this too. Anyhow you want it, you can place it straight, you can place it this way, anyhow you can place it this way, anyhow in any position you want. Then you go in with this. Just use this one. In using this one, you have to check. You identify the front and the back. The front is always shining, very, very shiny. It's always shining. So just make it a little bit tiny. So you decide to give it any design you want. Either you are going this way. Just be creative. Just taking another one. Repeat the same thing. So, free your mind. So go in with your side attraction. So you can use anyone of your choice. So either you use the butterfly or you use the heart. Anyone. you just keep on doing it. It doesn't have any particular design, but whatever comes to your mind, just go ahead and be creative. You can mix the colors. You can go ahead and mix the colors. Just go ahead. That's all. Repeat the same process. Just keep on repeating it. And as just keep on repeating it. Just make use of this. Amazing. Go ahead and just position it very well. Make it colorful. Yes, not particularly, just make it attractive. That's all. That's what you need. Just for it to be beautiful. Yes, we are done designing our bags now. So let's take it to our heat press machine. This machine is called heat press machine. So after designing, you take your bags there and press it. So right here on this machine, I'm using the temperature of 170 and a timer of 10 seconds. Depends. The timing ranges from 3 seconds to at most 1 minute 60 seconds is okay. So just go on with your bags, take it, place it. The machine itself has an indicator. Once the 10-second lapses, the machine will tell you. It has the sound that it gives, telling you that, oh, your bags are ready, take it out, then place another one. So you keep on repeating the process until you are done with all your bags. Then after that, you allow your bag to cool down. Once it's cooled down, just go ahead and peel out the nylons on the designs. Peel out the nylons. Please allow the bag to cool down, because if you are removing the nylons while the design are still hot, the design might peel out of the bag, or it will have this rough finishing. It won't look nice at all. So you allow the design to cool down before removing the nylon on the design. Yes, that way your design will come out beautifully well, very attractive, neat and fine. Yes, you have that classic and gorgeous look. Your tote will be so beautiful. Yes, when you allow it to cool down, then you peel out the nylon. So just keep on repeating the process until you are done with all the bags. Yes, this one in particular, it was wider than the machine itself, so I have to do it in 2 ways. You keep on pressing it, put in, allow the 10 seconds to read, then you take out your bags. Just keep on repeating the whole thing like that. Yes, keep on repeating the whole thing until you are done. Just keep on repeating it. It's fun, so easy. One thing about this it press is that it's not really time consuming. Within a twinkle of an eye, you are done. Even if you are doing so many bags, within a twinkle of eyes, you are done. Please, if you watch to this extent, like,